What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Charles, owner of mXrevival and mXrevival.com. And I guess this is technically episode 17 of our epic YZ500 two-stroke build and giveaway. But since the bike is now completed and I've said just about every single thing I can say about it, I thought we would do today's video a little bit different. So today guys, we're gonna go ahead and mash up my last 3 full dirt bike builds. So we'll go ahead and pit them all against each other in today's video and you guys can let me know which build you like the best. So that's gonna be YZ500 versus YZ250 versus CR250. We'll go ahead and roll each one of my last 3 reveal videos consecutively in the order I built the bikes. Now in case you have not heard for some reason or I haven't been obnoxious enough about it guys, when you see this video drop, you have less than 3 days left to enter to win our YZ500 this coming Monday at midnight, which is the 6th of March. We are officially shutting it down. So let's go ahead and fire up all 3 bike build reveal videos. And if the YZ500 video blows your mind, you still have a little bit of time left to head over to mXrevival and get your ass entered. All right guys, build number 1, we have a 2002 CR250, which was absolutely wrecked when I got it. This build was for Dirt Bike Magazine. Now, most of my bike builds have a theme, and T1000, which it was called, was no different. Now this bike was called T1000 because I was trying to mimic the bad guy in the Terminator movie series, the liquid metal dude that could shapeshift, turn into knives or weapons or slide through fences. This bike concept was all about T1000. And in order to achieve that look, my idea was a fully vapor blasted bike. Like every single thing I could vapor blast, I did. Anything I could have silver, I would, with a lot of nice little contrast and pop along the way. So it wasn't just kind of a blah, silver blob. I shot this video down at a local cement plant when we were still living in California. Sometimes if you see a spot that's just right, go ahead and ask the owner and they're generous enough to let you do it. This place had a really industrial vibe, which was just perfect for what I was going for, the Terminator movie series vibe. It even started to rain a little bit, which was perfect, even though I didn't want the bike to get wet because we had a magazine photo shoot coming up. So here it is guys, enjoy the T1000 full bike build reveal for Dirt Bike Magazine. So there's T1000, guys. What do you think? Did we nail the liquid metal look from the Terminator movie series? And I actually have one bonus question for you as you roll through these next two videos. What is the one thing you see on my bike builds again and again? And while wheels and tires are technically correct answers, that is not what I'm talking about. You guys are even welcome to go ahead and throw a comment down there now if you think you know what it is, and you can find out if you're right by the end of the video. Bike build number 2, we have what I like to call Thundercracker. Just like the CR250, Thundercracker was also a 2002, although it was a Yamaha YZ250. For this build, I went ahead and channeled my inner child and gave everything I had to a Transformer theme bike. And yes, I'm a 38-year-old man, but I still do have a massive soft spot for the Transformers cartoon. When I saw Optimus Prime die in the 1987 cartoon full-length movie, it crushed me as a kid. And for some reason, despite that, I went ahead and selected Thundercracker, which was one of the fighter jets, the Decepticon jets, and did my best to bring that character to life in the form of a dirt bike. So here it is, guys. Check out Thundercracker, complete with sheet metal and rivets decal look, triple S swap front and rear, tons of Cerakote, all the fun stuff. I hope you love it. All right, so what do you guys think? Are you itching to go check out a few of those old Transformer cartoons from when you were a kid now? I even found the heavy metal version Transformers theme song from a band called Power Glove. That band does a bunch of really cool covers like Nintendo, Tetris, no lyrics, Transformers, all that kind of stuff. Now, Thundercracker was not my first giveaway bike, but it was definitely the best. I will leave a link down below for you guys if you want to check out Project Gun Show. That was a CR250 I did before Thundercracker. A giveaway bike, although that was a raffle. Now, having said all that, that brings us to our third and final mXrevival full build and reveal video. And that, of course, is ANIHLATR, our YZ500 build, which none of you are a stranger to right now, since that's been a pretty hot and heavy topic around here the last few months. It's an absolute pleasure to finish building this 70 horsepower, exhaust valve equipped, counterbalanced monster of a bike for you guys. In addition to the BRC Racing YZ500 engine, it has just about everything else under the sun you could possibly want. Triple S suspension swap front and rear, 2023 YZ250 body, ceramic coatings galore, etchings, stenciling. Just the more you look, the more you see on this thing. So here we go, bike build reveal video number 3, and I hope you guys like metal. That's it, guys. That wraps up all all three of my last bike builds, which one is your favorite? I think I already know what you're gonna say, but I don't wanna put any words in your mouth. There is a natural progression to bike building as you continue to get better. Same with the filming and editing. I'm doing all that myself as well. Tends to get better over time. But that's pretty much all I've got for you guys today. Upcoming in the very near future, you're gonna see a lot more of Uncle Tony and I working together. We have some ideas brewing. Same with future upcoming mXrevival builds and all this stuff I just need to finish around here. There's always something cooking up in this little brain of mine. So guys, last chance, head over to mXrevival.com, get entered to win our massive YZ500 two-stroke dirt bike build and giveaway. You have just a couple days left. Cannot wait to find out who I pick as the winner. Keep your eyes peeled for an email from me regarding that March 25th live stream date so I can pick a winner, give away some more prizes, have some other special things to announce that day as well. And until next time guys, shred safe, and I will talk to you very soon.